It's going to be straight to the point. We're going to be super quick with this. This is how you remove your image from its background. So right now, this is how the image is. Let's say you got an image from Google or whatever, and you want to bring it in a silhouette, and you need to remove the background because you want to cut your image out, and you can't cut it out with the white border around it. Okay, so what you would have to do is, you're in the Silhouette Studio, you will come over here to where it says open trace panel. Click that, make sure your image is clicked on, and then click trace surrounding area. Then you're going to take your mouse, you need this little plus, take your mouse and hover over the entire image. Once you see these lines here, the yellow, you can see that it doesn't have everything. The little wings are not in there. So here's where what you do. You go over to threshold, turn up the threshold, but you can't turn it up. I'm going to show you why. You see that icky gooky? Well, you know, whatever. You see all that pixels and all that. You don't want that, so you're going to bring it back down. You're going to try your best to get everything, okay? The center of the eyes look like we can't get, but we're not going to worry about that because they're just white circles. So after you get that, then you have 3 different options. We want to trace and detach, so we're going to click that. Okay, now you grab your white background and it is removed. Poof is officially out of its background, but you're not done. You got one more step. It made the crown and Poof 2 separate objects now, so they will be cut out separately. If you want them cut out, well, they're going to be cut out separately anyway, but if you were to move him, then the crown is not going to be there. Okay, so what do you have to do is hover over both. Well, we don't want all that. So look, you see all of that? Let me zoom in. You see all of those little pieces? We don't want those either. So let's zoom back out, and then we're gonna grab them from another. Let's grab them like this. Click it, hold shift down, grab them, right click, and we're gonna group, and we're gonna get them out of there. Now, if you zoom in, you can see, oh, Lord. You can see all these little white particles that we don't need, so you would just hover over all of them, right click, and delete. Now we have Poof just like we want him. We can put him on our mat and go ahead and cut him out. I hope this was helpful for you. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.